Hey fuckers, let's make some homemade poopery spray. It's easy to make and it's delicious, and once you make it from home once, you'll never go back to buying that store-bought fuckery version ever again. Yay! One fancy little 2-ounce container sprayer like so. One fancy little funnel fucker, friend. Go ahead, put that right there. 3 tablespoons of the vegetable glycerin. It is a whole process. You take the vegetables outside, you must milk them next to your cows and your goats. Just like that, the crystallization of the good old buttfuck Minnesota makes it crystallized. Makes it this nice glycerin. That's exactly why you need this, just in case the squirts and the runs happen. Or you decide, hey, I'm going to get married to a man. Beautiful. Say fuck no. You will avoid the problem of making this. 3 tablespoons of the witch hazel. Similar process. You must find a strong, fierce woman who is probably a witch. Suck the blood out of her. But since the blood is so pure, it's white. Witch hazel. 10 drops of the lavender. Wee. Close enough. 10 drops of the lemongrass. Lemongrass smells so good. So good. Ah. Oh, is that perfect? Did I do it right? Suckers. 10 drops of the wild orange from the wilderness. Sprinkle, sprinkle, and a swirl. And just like that, you have homemade poopery spray for the motherfucker that destroys your toilet. The after smell, and you are just like, fuck this shit. Poopery spray. Yay.